Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can log out from your Facebook. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. Now in order to log out from your account, what you need to do is click on the menu option at the bottom right of your screen. Now once you're in menu, it's going to look just like this. Once you're over here, scroll all the way down on the bottom until you see this option called Logout. You want to click on Logout and it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to log out? Well, I'm sure, so I'm going to click on Logout. Once I click on Logout, as you guys can see, it's going to log me out from my Facebook. But if you guys have saved your Facebook account, even if you log out from your account, your Facebook account is going to be saved on your device and it's going to be displayed over here just like this. As you guys can see, I just logged out, but my account is still being shown over here. Now if I want to remove that account from my device so no one else can log in into it, then what I need to do is click on the setting icon at the top right. Once I go on the setting, basically what I need to do is it's going to bring me to my manage profile section. Now I need to choose my account, so I need to choose my Witchy Kevin account. Once I choose my Witchy Kevin account, it's going to bring me to this page over here, and over here you can see the remove profile option. I can click on remove profile and this account will be removed from this device. So until and unless somebody enters my login details like my password, my phone number or my email, they cannot log in into my Facebook account again. So that's how you guys can fully log out from your Facebook account from a device. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.